There are shocking new details in the Johnny Depp divorce scandal. In the new issue of People magazine, this dramatic cover showing Amber Heard with her eye bruised and a cut lip. Heard claims Depp has been abusing her for years and tells people there was one severe incident in December 2015 when I truly feared for my life. Inside the magazine, more photos of Heard from that 2015 incident, all allegedly caused by attacks from Depp.
LAPD is finally going after Amber for perjury for lying about them in court. It looks like Amber is once again under the limelight she wants to avoid at all costs, considering she needs new work opportunities to get back on her feet now that she also has a kid to look after. You cannot just destroy an institution's credibility in front of national television, but Amber, being Amber, couldn't help but commit perjury, enforcing the fact that the officers did indeed confirm a bruise on her face when they arrived at the penthouse. However, there's quite a lot to the situation. Keep watching till the end to know more. After a confrontation between the pair in 2016, in which Heard claimed she was assaulted, police officers who attended to a domestic violence incident at the penthouse of stars Johnny Depp and Amber Heard claimed they noticed no bruises on her face.
10, which has already been admitted into evidence. Ms. Heard, you testified yesterday that this is a photograph taken of you on May 21st, 2016. Do you recall?
Yes, that's correct.
At Depp's libel trial against his ex-wife, jurors heard police tape depositions on Wednesday who claimed to have seen Heard sobbing but no outward evidence of harm. 6 days after the incident, Heard appeared in a Los Angeles courtroom to request a temporary restraining order with a noticeable mark on her face that she said Depp had caused during a physical altercation. Could this mean that Amber lied under oath when she persistently claimed that the officers did see bruises on her face while knowing that this is her committing perjury? Well, LAPD might be coming after her, knowing that she tried to mess up with their credibility, not once, but so many times.
Amber filed for a temporary restraining order against Johnny after the alleged incident. Johnny has denied hitting Amber at any time.
Additionally, Heard refused to speak to officers and showed no evidence of harm. According to Los Angeles police officer Tyler Haddon, one of the officers who rushed to the couple's penthouse residence on May 21, 2016, although we recognized she had been crying and was red-faced. Just because I see a female with pink cheeks and pink eyes doesn't mean something happened, he said in a recorded deposition played for jurors in the court.
I believe that's incorrect.
I don't.
Officer Steins, I'm going to ask you to take a look at exhibit number 24. Okay. Do you recognize the person in this photo?
Yes, Amber Heard.
Okay. Do you perceive there to be an injury or evidence of injury on Amber's face in this photo?
No, I do not.
By the time police arrived, Depp had already fled the penthouse. Officers claimed they were unaware of Heard's existence or her marriage to Depp. He claimed that neither Heard nor anyone else at the penthouse building was willing to reveal Heard's husband to him or the other cops. William Gatlin, an officer who made a follow-up visit that evening, testified that he did not observe any injuries either, while admitting that his visit was quick and that he did not approach Heard any closer than 10 feet or 3 meters. He said that his examination was merely cursory because it seemed the call was a repetition of the one Haddon had already answered.
Why did you not ask either the other woman or Ms. Heard why the woman was embracing and holding Ms. Heard?
Why I did not is because we were trained in the academy to separate the parties and to try and attempt to build a rapport with the individual we're speaking with. Therefore, it was 2 females and my partner was female, so therefore my partner spoke with the females.
A quick reminder for our viewers though, please note that the content mentioned in this video is based on theories and opinions and in no way it is promoting a personal agenda. And now, as for Heard's attorneys, they have suggested that she might have been able to conceal her wounds with makeup at the time because she still wanted to defend Depp. Questionable. Secondly, they also questioned the police about their lack of rigorous investigation into a possible domestic violence case. Some of Depp's strongest proof that Heard fabricated the accusations against her ex-husband, however, comes from the cops' testimonies. It supports prior accounts from witnesses who claim to have seen Heard and her sister rehearsing fake punches in the days following the assault. For whatever it's worth, Amber should have thought this through, because a legal institution such as the LAPD won't be letting a case that concerns their credibility slide through this easily. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.